How to hide or unhide posts on Reddit. Let's get started. Launch any of the browser. Now type in Reddit login and search for it. Now click on the very first website option, login Reddit. Now type in your credentials over here to log in to your Reddit account, username and password. After you are done, click on login. Once you log in, you will land to the home page. Now at the top right corner, you will find your profile icon. Click on it. Head towards this option of view profile. Once you land to your profile page, over here you're gonna find different tabs as overview, post, comments and saved. Click on this tab of post. Now you have to head towards the post that you want to hide. I'm gonna hide this one post. At the top right corner of the post, you'll find three dots. Click on it. You'll get the option of hide. Click on it. Now the post is hidden. Now how to unhide that post? For that, what you have to do is scroll to the right. Over here you will find this option of hidden. Click on it. Now in this page, you will be able to find all the hidden posts. You have to click on this option of undo, remove from hidden. So this is how you can easily hide or unhide posts on Reddit. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.